बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तालीम आम चैनल में आप सबको खुशामदीद। आज मैंने यूनिट 1 अबाउट माई सेल्फ की रिमेनिंग एक्सरसाइज अपलोड की है। उस दिन हमने पेज नंबर 1 की एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 तक पढ़ लिया था। आज हम एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले इज़ आर एम का यूज़ मैंने आपको अपलोड करके दिया था पिक्चर में। जैसे शी इज़, ही इज़, इट इज़ सिंगुलर नाउन इसके साथ इस्तेमाल होता है। आई एम, यू आर, दे आर, वी आर और प्लूरल नाउन के साथ आर इस्तेमाल होता है। अब हम एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं। लुक एट द फॉलोइंग टेबल एंड मेक एज मैनी करेक्ट सेंटेंसेस इन योर नोटबुक एज यू कैन। नंबर 1, आई एम अब्दुल रहमान। नंबर 2, आई एम इन क्लास 2. Number 3, Seerat is my sister. Number 4, Mushtaba is my brother. Number 5, Ghulam Mustafa is my friend. Number 6, we are friends. Number 7, Ghulam Mustafa and Abdur Rahman are friends. Now look at the page number 6. Look at these sentences. I am Zain. Rabia is my sister. We have a rabbit. Its name is Bunny. In these lines, you have to tell that proper nouns are always written with the capital letter. I also show the definition of noun and pronoun as a copy work. You can do it in your copies. Look at the activity on the same page. Write your name, Ariba. Write the name of your two friends, Noor, Zonera. Number 2, circle the letter. It should be capital in the following sentences. Then rewrite the names correctly below. Zain is a boy. Zain is a proper noun. Z should be capital. Rabia is a girl. R of the Rabia should be capital. It is a proper noun. Manu is a cat. M of Manu will be capital because it is also a proper noun. Now look at the page number 7. Here write 5 sentences about yourself. My name is Ariba. I am 6 years old. I am in class 2. Noor and Zonera are my friends. Now draw a picture of your friend in the box and write 3 sentences about him, her, you, she, he for boy and she for a girl. This is Ali. He is 7 years old. He is in class 2. Encourage a student to write at least 6 sentences about yourself and your friend. About myself. I am Sana. I study in class 2. I am 8 years old. I am a girl. Sadia is my best friend. I live in Karachi. This is Sadia. She is my best friend. She is 8 years old. We are in class 2. We play together. We live in Karachi. We do take the correct answer on page number 3. It should be due in the copies also. Take right or wrong. Abdul Rahman is in class 1. Wrong. Mustafa is 8 years old. Correct. Seerat is a girl. Correct. Mano is a dog. Wrong. Abdul Rahman and Mustafa are brothers. Correct. Seerat is in class 4. Wrong. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.